Crawlers Off-Road Park, and we came to pick up the Jeep. There's the Jeep. Luckily, I have my camo gear on. I'm staying warm. You're gonna freeze.
It's so cold.
No.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This time we're at Carolina Crawlers Fall Crawl. We got invited by Mr. Wally Chapman, the man who built the Blue Beast. We're gonna do a little riding here. We got Carnage Hill right off the bat. Let's try it out. East Coast wheeling finally.
So he's got to have his line, we think. That's the sissy way. We're not doing that. So there's this rock and then this line of rocks. So I think he's going to try to put right tire here, left tire, climb up that. We shall see what he decides to do. The line that I wanted him to do, and look at that, he did wonderful. So now he has to go up that little bit, which he should. Have to bump it. Alright, let me go to the other side and see what's holding him up. Drive shaft, and I don't know what that is leaking, but I hope it's nothing. So I'm going to zoom in to see if you can see with his drive shaft, and we think we got it where we think it is. We're good. You're off your drive shaft now. It's got you hung up.
I think I'm gonna hit my front dip up front when I go that way.
I don't know what you're hitting it on. Alright, you're climbing that tree. There you go. Go, go, go. I'm freaking out because this I don't like, but Cole says that he thinks it's water.
It don't have color or smell.
I don't like it. We shall see. It was pouring out a while ago.
Don't put pouring out right here.
Look, let me hit your... That's okay. It's just water, right? He got his tube door messed up. What'd you think? You didn't... That was Carnage, and we wasn't even on Carnage Hill.
I know. The Carnage Hill was easier than this one.
Okay, now climb this rock.
something caught a rock inside the rim and it just ripped the valve stem out. It's just a little hole now. Tire's fine. So we flagged somebody down the park. Hopefully bring back something. We can push this in, pop a new valve stem, pop it up, and keep going.
And we're at our mechanics off-road park, so it's a good thing that our mechanics is right down the hill, right?
He's at the bottom of the hill.
Oh, Wally. We'll go get him.
What happened, baby?
You know, things happen on the trail. Like ripping your valve stem off. And then, you know, then you have to take in nature and appreciate what's around you. So.
Beautiful day. Gone. Well, we made it up. Oh, differential alley here. Bypass that one all the way up there. Almost climbed the tree. Yep, that one took it out. No, don't forget. He acts like he's been in there before.
A time or two.
He just like, he knows he's not gonna roll over.
What is it? It don't have a rear locker? Right?
Yeah, he's in two-wheel drive. Just straight up two-wheel drive. What is he doing? God. God dang. Well, they rolled it over. I wasn't watching. Somewhere right in here. They came down, tipped it over, rolled it right on down.
They missed everything.
I know, I turned around, no kidding. I was right there.
My tires dropped off. As soon as I dropped off, all I seen was ass in the Toyota. I was like, oh shit.
Oh.
I just crammed out him first and come on off.
Hard. Good bump. There you go. It's good.
Go ahead, dip out.
Sheba. He's not messing with your Jeep.
It's okay. We're friends.
Bump hard, babe. Sheba, the Jeep's in distress.
Yeah.
Almost.